friends, welcome back to the channel Ruchi's Teaching. This is Ruchi here. In this video I am going to explain applications of C language. Okay, in my previous video I have completed features, and today I will be discussing about the applications, what all we create with the C language. Okay, before I start my video I would like to say that if you are newly watching this video, or if you are newly watched this channel, please subscribe the channel, support the channel, and after watching the video please give a thumbs up to it, share to your friends. Okay, let's enter into the video. Now in this applications of C, what actually applications means, the applications which are created by the C language for specific purpose. Okay, a set of programs or instructions in the form of a program created, developed in the C language for particular purpose. Okay, so all those purpose, wherever we are using this C language, I have written some applications. There are more than this application. I have written 15 applications, and more than this also there are many, but I have chosen 15 applications, and okay, major applications I have selected and I am explaining you. Okay, first one is used in embedded systems. Embedded systems we have discussed many times. Many times we have discussed embedded systems in our classes. Embedded systems are nothing but the electronic devices. The software C programs, for example, toaster, washing machine, and freezer. So in all these things, in all these devices, the software program or software applications have been developed and embedded in it. So that's why these are called the embedded systems. That means in embedded systems they are using applications of C language. Okay, next is for developing system software. So in this system softwares are like operating systems. So is mostly system softwares like operating systems are developed in C language only. So the applications in C language they are used for creating operating systems, like for example I will tell you Windows operating system, Macintosh, and Linux, and Unix also. So like this, these operating system softwares are developed. Next is first one or second one, third one, for developing application softwares. What are application softwares? Application softwares are those softwares where it is used for banking systems, insurance systems. That means enterprise systems. For example, like banking system, insurance system, hotel management. So all these things, for all these things they will programmers will develop applications, and they will hand over these applications to so and so companies. So there they will that software or the application they will run in their computers, but for the hotel management or insurance systems or banking systems. So this is nothing but the application softwares. Okay, next comes for Adobe. You all might be knowing Adobe Photoshop. So this Adobe Photoshop is a mostly for editing purpose they will use. So this is totally dependent on C language, right? So total everything, that software is totally dependent on C language. That means it's a purely application of C program. Okay, next, browsers. What are browsers? Browsers, everyone know what are browsers. And these browsers, for example, I'll take Chrome. So this Chrome has been purely developed under C language. So with C language only they have created the Google Chrome, and now this Google Chrome is used as the browser. Okay, so this is about the browsers. Next, databases. Databases are those databases, for example, mainly databases, you know, to store the data. The databases are created. So those applications like Oracle, MySQL, and SQL. So all these databases are developed under C language. So these are also applications only. Next is operating system for desktop and mobile phones. So everyone know mobile phones and personal computer desktops. Computer desktop will be there. So mobile phones. So what is happening here? Mobile phones. Now recently many smartphones, many touch screen desktops have been came into the market. So how they have been designed? They have been designed with the C language. With the C language only, many applications have been designed, and they have fed to the computer, and they are using. So the desktop, when you open, when you switch on the system, the screen which comes on the screen, the screen which you see first on the computer is desktop. So this is been designed in C language only. And mobile phones also have been, how they are working nowadays, how they are working only with the application of the C language only. So C language is used for the applications like mobile phones also. Next, here mobile phones are working. I said how they are working. When a mobile phone has to work, that mobile phone will be working under one operating system. So these operating system is again developed by C language. So the applications of like operating systems for the mobile phones also is developed by in the C language only. Okay. Next is compilers. Already we have discussed about compilers many times. It's a translating program, and these compilers are designed and developed under C language only. So compilers are under C language only. Okay. Next is computer and mobile games. Now many children, or everybody nowadays, everybody is going for the games. So these mobile games, desktop games, desktop games are created with, or designed and developed with C language only. So mobile games and even computer based games are also created and designed and developed by C language only. Okay. Okay, next is to evaluate the mathematical equations. Now we have the mathematical equations, we know that. Now what C language programmers they did, they have created a C program by using these mathematical functions. That means they'll write a program. For example, there is one program to display the multiplication table. Whichever number you give, suppose if you give 15 number, it will if you ask the system to give the multiplication table, it will give 15 table. So if you go for 20 number, it will give 20 tables. So like this, there are many mathematical equations have been used in the programs. They have created programs on that equations, and by giving different inputs, that means different numbers, you can get the output. For example, multiplication table. Okay, that is about the evaluating mathematical equations. Next is Unix kernel. What is Unix operating system is totally dependent on C language. So main Unix operating system is totally depend on the C language. So they have taken C language, which is a programming language. They have kept that base, that language, and they have designed the operating system called Unix operating system. So this Unix operating system is purely based on C language. And next 12th one is network devices. Now network devices are what network devices? Now when you are using network, you require one network device called modem. Okay, modem. Okay, this modem is used for the connection of the net. Okay, connection of the net, internet. So connection of the internet, this modem is used. So this modem, how it works? It has a application, C application inside the device. That means embedded. It acts like the embedded systems. Okay, embedded devices. So the application of the C language has been designed and developed and designed, and it has been used in this modems. Modem is a network device. Next, network device is over. Next is 13th, GUI applications. What is GUI? G is graphical user interface. Graphical user interface. So these applications mostly like any graphics, if you want to show on the system, those graphics can be created with the C language only. Okay, here I can give one example. Windows operating system and as well as Adobe software. Okay, Adobe software. So these two are, for example, not only these two, many are there, but I am explaining for only Windows and Adobe. So these are the GUI applications. Okay, next is new programming platform. Now taking C language as the base, they have taken this C language as a base language and used this by using this C language, they have developed Java and C++. So like HTML, so many PHP. So like this, many are there. They have developed extra featured, specific featured languages from the C language. So this is also called as a programming platform. Okay, this is a programming platform language. So this is acting as a programming platform. Okay. Next is medical devices, medical applications. So what are medical applications? For example, now these X-ray machines and MRI machines, many machines are there now. Nowadays in market, they are using many devices, many medical devices. Those devices, how they are working just with a button, pressing one button. How washing machine works, like that. These devices are also working with a single button press. So when you press a button, what happens? The software application, C language, C application, which is fed to that particular machine, starts working in it, and that machine is working with that software only. So that type of applications they will create, and they will be feeding to that particular devices. Even medical side also, C language is used, C applications are used. So with this, I have completed all the applications of the C, and I'll wind up the class. So if you have liked the video, please like it and share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And after subscribing, after pressing the button subscriber, then click on the bell button. After clicking the bell button, you will be getting an all option there. Click on that all option, then only whatever videos I do, all those notifications will be coming to your device. Okay then. Thank you friends. Bye.